Are you sharing your show schedule with people that you come in contact with at art shows? Hi, I'm Tracy Lizotte, and I'm here today to share with you how I share my show schedule at shows. I like to, at the beginning of the year, to create a postcard with one of the most recent paintings that I created that year. And on the back, I will put my show schedule with some information on where you can find me online to learn more about the shows I go to. Now, why I am such a big fan of creating these postcards every year, so here's another one. Why I'm such a big fan of creating these postcards and handing them out like candy. I'll tell you, I'll make thousands of cards. I'll make 2,000 cards and I will just dish them out to anyone. I'll have them clipped to the front of my table. I'll have them on my desktop. I'll put them in the bags for people that buy my art. I want to make sure these go far and wide. And what happens is people take the art side and they go home and they'll clip it up. They'll tack it up. They'll put it up on a shelf. They'll hang it up on a desk or on their refrigerator. And you know what? The artwork is there for them to look at every single day of the year. And it reminds them who I am. And then on the back, there's the information on how to follow up should they ever want to buy a piece of art, whether it be for themselves or for a gift. So having something tangible like this that you can pass on is so powerful for your marketing. And it's something I highly recommend doing. And if you'd like to learn more about how to sell your art, head on over to my Art Academy. I hope to see you over there.